blisters at night, and I laughed till I cried and cried, and I ran till my feet couldn't run no more.
This world was made up of this brotherhood of men.
It's a bit weird without any without any track in it.
Whatever that means.
So this weekend I'm going to London to participate in the Songbird Sessions masterclass. And my vocal coach happens to be the co-founder, and she's amazing. I'm so grateful to be in her care. So I was gonna go to London to just, hang around, go, sightseeing and whatever. I can't even speak without my voice quivering. One of my favorite musicals, Carolina Change, is happening in London that same weekend. And it's the closing weekend. It's the closing weekend. And I bought tickets to closing night. And I am just the rush of buying the tickets, that was a lot. I can't believe that I did it, and I can't believe I'm doing it. And I'm going to see it Saturday, and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. The music is so amazing. The words, the story. I hope that it is everything that I imagined and more. When I discovered it, I was like, there's no way I'm ever gonna watch this show. The show will never be produced in my lifetime because nobody knows about it. I can't believe that they're showing it in London while I'm in London. I can't. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. Hello everyone. So today we did an amazing Songbird Sessions workshop with Gemma.
Hi. Hello guys.
What did we do today?
We really just focused on being brave and getting messy and getting into those song sections that scare us to death, and realising that #Fear is a liar. Hashtag. The best hashtag ever. We want to start a social media movement. Fear is a liar. And I think these guys have just been so incredibly brave. They've come up against some really difficult stuff this afternoon and worked through it, and it has been an absolute pleasure, guys. Well done.
Thank you.